This assessment is uterine contraction. The goal of this procedure is to determine whether the contraction is through labor and to know if there's abnormality between the health of the mother and the baby. First, we need to wash hands and prepare the equipment needed. We need the stethoscope, notebook, pen, and clean gloves. Next is we need to provide the privacy, and we need to close the door, the curtains, and next po is we need to explain the procedure to the mommy and to the guardian, and after that is we need to position the patient or the mother to dorsal recumbent. After po natin na-position si patient sa dorsal recumbent, make sure po natin na yung legs po na yung patient is naka-flex and slightly separated po. And after that, i-try po natin yung si mother or si woman na i-try po natin, tapos expose po natin yung abdomen. And ilalocate po natin yung fundus. And bago po yun, you need to wear clean gloves po. And after po natin mag-gloves, locate po natin yung fundus ni patient using the fingertips. And assess po natin yung frequency po ng contraction for 10 minutes. And kasabay po nun is assess din po natin yung duration. Simula po sa umpisa hanggang dulo po. Yan, assume na lang po natin na tapos na po natin i-assess po yung frequency and yung duration po. Kasabay din po nun dapat po assess din po natin yung interval ng contraction po. Tapos observe din po natin kung meron pong abnormalities between po dun sa contraction. And after po natin observe yung abnormality, if meron pong abnormalities, we need to auscultate the fetal heart rate using stethoscope and maneuver. Bale, ang normal range ng fetal heart rate is 120 to 160. After po natin ma-auscultate yung fetal heart rate ng patient, after po natin ma-auscultate yung fetal heart rate, i-document po natin yung nakuha po natin. And after po nun is, didrape na po natin yung exposed abdomen. And after po nun is, ready muna po natin yung equipment and mag-wash hand po tayo. imagine na lang po natin na nag-sanitize tayo or nag-wash hand po tayo. And after po nun is, i-record po natin yung following, yung frequency, interval, duration, and yung intensity po ng contraction, kung mild po ba or moderate. And after po nun is, document din po natin yung movement tolerance po. And that's it.